The bakery slept, warm and peaceful. A soft thud echoed from the shadows. A small creature scuttled towards the counter, eyes gleaming with mischief. The curious being, not quite scary, sniffed the air. Cupcakes towered before him, frosted wonders beneath the silver glow of the moon. In his excitement, the creature stumbled, flour billowing around him. He giggled at the spectacle, thinking nothing of the commotion he caused. A sudden noise pulled forth a brave soul. She watched, heart thumping like a drum. The sight stole her breath. A cupcake thief. Just then, disaster struck. A pyramid of treats toppled, splattering frosting like confetti. The creature froze, eyes wide in surprise. Instead of fear, laughter bubbled forth. She extended a hand, offering help. "Let's clean this up together," she exclaimed, delight shining in her eyes. The kitchen transformed into a flurry of joy. Flour and giggles danced together. With each splash, a spark of friendship ignited. Under careful guidance, the odd couple created delicious magic. Mixing, measuring, and tasting, each moment strengthened their bond. The townsfolk gathered, wide-eyed with wonder. Monster-sized cupcakes dotted the shelves. Smiles bloomed as sweet aromas wafted into the streets. Laughter echoed through the bakery, filling every corner. Sweet conversations blossomed as everyone enjoyed the delightful creations. Together, they savored the joy of sharing. The cupcake was not just a treat, it was a symbol of friendship, sweetness, and laughter. The bakery transformed into a haven of joy. Clara and her curious companion had created more than cake. They'd baked a world of dreams together.